Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Cook with Elle. On this video, I'm sharing these summer must-have ice pop, which we call Singlace in Congo. They're so amazing and they're just so great for this weather. So I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, to make these, I'll be using freezer bags, 3 different flavors of Kool Aid. I got grape, pineapple and cherry. There are so many other flavors that you can choose from. I'll leave the link below on where to get them. I've got cold water, a large jug or container, a spoon, and also some sugar because this powder does not have any sugar. So for more information, please check out the description box below. I'm starting with pouring the cherry flavor into the jug. Then add some sugar. Okay, so the instruction mentioned to add a cup of sugar, which is a bit much, so what I would suggest is add a small amount, then gradually add some water, stir it, taste it to see how it goes with you. This way you're able to adjust it easily by adding more water or more sugar, whichever that's needed. Do it the way you like, honey, and make sure you give it a good stir. Next, once the mixture has combined well, get the freezer bag, then roll it down one corner to easily pour in the liquid. Then pour it in that corner. Next, twist it to help it secure well, then tie it. I actually used to sell these when I was 8 years old in Congo. I didn't need money, but I just sold them because it was fun, and I sold like different flavors. It was just so fun. Anyways, next step, I've got here the pineapple flavor. Exactly the same process. So adding in the powder, then the sugar, then add in some water. So the cherry flavor, which is the red one, I made 3 of them. So this is the yellow, which is the pineapple. I'm also making 3, and this is the grapes, which is purple. Yes guys, it is purple. I know it kind of looks black on camera, but it is purple. And here they are, all 9 of them. So we've got the red one, the yellow one, and the dark purple one. What I like to do before I put them in the freezer, I like to trim the bags a bit because it just looks nicer, and it just looks the way I used to have it when I was in Congo. I just love them. So these are going into the freezer overnight. You can leave in the freezer for about 6 hours. It's literally up to you. After that time, you can go ahead and enjoy it. They taste absolutely amazing. They are so great for this hot weather. They help you cool down, and my favorite is the pineapple and the cherry flavor. I absolutely love them. Let me know in the comment section below on what is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't, share with your friends and family. I'll speak to you guys soon. Ciao.